Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect with Tidal on JBL Authentics 200. To play Tidal music, go to JBL One app. You can download JBL One on App Store or Google Play Store. Then, after connecting to your speaker, click on it and click on In-App Music. Now you can select which service you want to connect to. In my case it will be Tidal. Then click on the X and here you can find your Tidal. Click on it, then log in into Tidal. After that, you'll be able to play music on Tidal. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.